This video will give you a brief explanation. A basic function of 4,914,090, as well as the functions of some of the switches above. These two are connected to the power supply. These two actuators. This connection speed sensor. This is connected to idle speed. These two are only shorted when the actuator jitter is severe. I don't usually use it. The potentiometer goes from top to bottom. The first one is idle speed. It gets bigger clockwise. It gets smaller counterclockwise. This is an adjustment of the rated speed. It gets bigger clockwise. It gets smaller counterclockwise. This is GAIN, which is a gain. When our actuator is unstable and the jitter is severe, by adjusting gain, it can be adjusted to the most stable state. DROOP is only used when it is parallel. If it is used alone, adjust it to the minimum. If it is set reasonably, when paralleling. This is a dial switch with slow start function. For example, I start the engine to normal operation. This time is long and short, which can be set by 3 dials. The first 5 seconds, the second 10 seconds, and the third 15 seconds. For example, if I turn one on and the others are closed, the time from boot to work is 5 seconds. If you open the second one as well, that is, 5 plus 10 becomes 15 seconds. Open the third one and turn 5, 10, 1 into a time of 30 seconds. I'm going to give you a quick demo. I now have all 3 set off. At this time, it may take a second or 2 from boot to normal operation. However, the boot to normal working time is very short. Let's turn it off now. Now for the sake of clarity, I have all 3 DIP switches turned on, all in a state of on. Theoretically, it takes about 30 seconds. However, when speed from startup to normal rating, it takes a long time. After a dozen seconds, he started to slowly start. This slow start can effectively solve these problems, such as black smoke.